there! This is the fourth video of my folding series, where I teach you how to fold clothing for the whole family. If you haven't seen them yet, I'll leave the links in the description below. In this video, I'll show you how to fold clothes for kids. Let's start with t-shirts. To fold t-shirts, there are two methods. The first one is the more traditional one. Place the t-shirt on a flat surface. It can be your bed or a table. We will use the neckline for the t-shirt as our guideline. Place the t-shirt facing down. Draw an imaginary line from the neck to the bottom and fold there. If needed, you can fold the sleeve. Remember that what we want to do is to keep the rectangular shape. Now fold the other side. Now fold the t-shirt in half, and then in half again. Let's review. Fold in half, leaving a little space at the neck, and then fold in half again. For the second method, place the t-shirt facing upwards. Now fold it in half, doing the mirror folding. Fold the sleeves back, keeping the rectangular shape. Fold the t-shirt in half and then in half again, always leaving a little space at the top of the neck. In this way, when you fold your t-shirts, you put them next to each other, standing up in the drawer, and you can see them all at the same time. For the long sleeve t-shirts, we will learn two different methods. Place the shirt on a flat surface facing upwards. Remember, the neck will guide us on where to fold. Pinch the side of the neck and the corresponding part of the bottom. Pinch and lift. Lift the shirt and now place it facing downwards. Now fold the sleeve and fold the other side. Place your karate hands on the shirt to mark it on thirds. Fold the neck flap first and then the bottom flap. The second way to fold a long sleeve shirt is using the mirror folding. Place the shirt upwards and then make an imaginary line from the middle of the neck to the middle of the bottom. Do the mirror folding, placing half of the shirt on top of the other. Fold the sleeves back to the side and then fold them towards the bottom, keeping the rectangular shape. Fold in half, leaving a little space at the top of the neck, and then fold in half again. Kids' pants are so easy to fold. Let's do the mirror fold first, then fold in half, keeping a little space on the waist border, and now fold in half again. For the kids' jeans, we're gonna do the same. Mirror folding, fold in half, and then in half again. To fold kids' shorts, we'll use two methods. Place the shirt facing upwards, then do the mirror folding and fold in half. This is the first method. For the second method, place the shorts facing upwards, do the mirror folding, and now fold in thirds, always folding the waist flap first and then the other flap. If the shorts are made of a softer material, you can do this. So fold in half, doing the mirror folding, tuck in the buttocks triangle, and then fold in thirds, folding the waist flap first and then the other flap. For sweaters and jumpers, there are also two ways to fold them. Place the jumper facing upwards, and now pinch and lift. Place it facing downwards, fold the sleeve, then fold the other side, fold the sleeve, and fold in half. For the second way on how to fold the sweater, place the sweater upwards and make an imaginary line from the middle of the neck to the middle of the bottom. Do the mirror folding, placing half of the sweater on top of the other one. Fold the sleeves back to the side on a straight line and then fold them back to the other side, keeping the rectangular shape. Fold in thirds, folding the neck flap first and then the other flap. Even though kids' underwear is very small, it can be easier than you think to fold it. Place the underwear facing downwards. Bring the bottom of the underwear to the waist, all the way up. Now, from here you can fold it in half. That will be the first way to fold it. On the second way to fold it, once you have the bottom part to the waist, fold in thirds. I'll show you again. Place it up downwards, bring the bottom to the waist, and now fold in thirds. Use your karate fingers to mark where you can fold and then fold in thirds. Here, I'll show you how to do it with an even smaller piece. Place the underwear downwards, bring the bottom to the waist, and now fold in thirds. I totally love to fold my son's pajamas. There are also two ways to fold pajamas. I'll show you how to fold the pajama with a long sleeve shirt and long pants, but you can apply the same principles you just learned if there's a short sleeve or shorts. Place the top facing upwards, do the mirror folding, and then fold the sleeve, bringing it towards the bottom. For the bottom part, place pants facing upwards, then do the mirror folding. Now place the shirt on top of the pants, using the waistline as your guideline. Now fold the rest of the pant on top of the shirt and fold in thirds. Let me show you another way to fold pajamas. So place the pants facing upwards, do the mirror folding. Now fold in half. From here you can fold in half again or fold in thirds. If you fold in thirds, fold the waist flap first. For the shirt, do the pinch and lift. Place it downwards, fold the sleeve towards the bottom, then fold the other side and fold the sleeve. Now, from here, fold in thirds, folding the neck part first. Don't be intimidated by the little tiny size of kids' socks. To fold kids' socks, place one sock on top of the other one. Make sure they're totally aligned. Now fold in half and then in half again. If the socks are shorter, you can always fold them in thirds. I would recommend to keep the socks in a tight space, like a little box or something like that, so the sock would not lose its shape. For storage, you can use a simple drawer in the dresser, or for example, I'm using a TROFAST box from IKEA. I'll link it below for you. This is actually where we store the clothes for my toddler. The reason behind why I teach you several ways to fold clothes, it's because you will need sometimes several sizes to fit into your storage solution. So if you have a drawer that is deeper, it might be folded in half, but if you have a drawer that is more shallow, you might need to fold it in thirds. Which piece of clothing would you like me to fold next? Please let me know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. You can also click right here to keep watching my other folding videos.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful?